Hello everybody, today we're going to be making one of my favorite snacks in the whole world, and they are healthy granola squares. Healthy being we're not adding too much junk in it, and it's also gluten-free, so it's a win. Also, this will be made today by Chef Renata, and just as a reminder, you guys should go and support her channel on beginner friendly Arabic. She has very short videos that help you learn, and they're very easy to follow and very convenient, so give it a look. But yeah, we're going to add some honey and some peanut butter to a bowl. And also, a side note about these brownies, oh my gosh, these granola squares, is that they are so easy to store and keep around for a really long time. So I am quite literally taking an entire bag of these with me back to college, and I'm so excited to enjoy them for a very long time. This is me thinking like I'm not gonna finish them in one night. Let me stay delusional for at least a little bit longer. But next time I'm sure that they can just make me more. Yes, but once you add all of that, just mix it until it is nice and thick. And just as a little PSA, if you heat up the honey and the peanut butter beforehand, it will make the mixing process a lot faster. So if that's something you guys want, go ahead and do that. If you enjoy mixing, also go ahead and do that. No worries here. But of course, once that's done, we're going to start adding the oats that will make this eventually a granola bar. So you're going to add some quick oats. And also some rice cereal. And make sure that the cereal is just the puffed rice. This one contains no additives or sugar. Don't worry, this is going to be sugary enough on its own. We do not need to be adding more cereal. And even though it's made with just honey, it's very sweet, actually. So it's very nice. It's a very nice kind of dessert where it's like you're craving something sweet, but you don't really want to have sugar. I know I break out a lot when I have sugar. That's a really big thing. Like, sugar is awesome, and I'm not the type of person that's like, oh, let's not eat sugar ever. But truly, it like messes you up sometimes. And I think when something tastes super good and it doesn't have sugar, you have to latch onto it as hard as you can and never let go. And this is 100% one of those things. So, you guys should try it out. But anyways, after you add all of that, you could just put a glove on so you don't get your hands messy and just mix it by hand. It's kind of like, actually it's nothing like making a Rice Krispie treat, but like it's the same vibe without the marshmallow. I don't know, that was very, very far reach in terms of like a similarity I can give you guys, but it's okay. And now you're gonna go ahead and cut up your parchment paper for the pan you will be placing it in. You could do that just by measuring it like this and then cutting straight across. And you can fold it down the middle to have some extra support. Now you have a perfect little square. And now you're just going to place the granola stuff in and mush it down as much as you can. And once this is down relatively as much as you can get it, we're gonna go ahead and add some chocolate chips. And these chocolate chips are also sugar-free and no additives. It's just cocoa, really melted cocoa into chocolate chip form. And it's super good. It just gives that cocoa taste. And what I've noticed with chocolate chips is like, you really only need them there to get that little hint of chocolate. If the whole thing is sweet, you don't need sweet chocolate chips, in my opinion. So it works out, I think. And after that is all pressed down and neat, you can chill in the fridge. Not you can, you need to chill in the fridge. Wow, did you see that transition? That was really cool. Oh my gosh, that was really cool. But yes, so it chilled in the fridge for a good amount of time, and then you can go ahead and chop it up into little bar shapes for future use. And you can wrap these individually or just stick them in a container, no worries, it'll stay. And I think this is my cousin and my brother, and they tried it and they loved it. Super good. And that's about it. We hope you guys enjoyed these healthy granola squares, because I know I will, and I'm so excited to eat all of them this weekend. But that's it. Happy healthy granola squaring. Bye!